Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking show, Cooking with Ethan. Today, we will be making some stuffed peppers. It's pretty simple really, just follow these simple instructions. To make stuffed peppers, you'll need these ingredients. Some scallions, lots of ground beef, 4 stuffed peppers, and 2 tomatoes. And I think that's everything. You'll need to grab a big bowl, okay? So I got one right here. And then you get your ground beef, and oh no, it's open. You see that? It's like, you know what, YOLO, I'm gonna make it anyway. I'm gonna make it anyway. Gonna make it anyway. I mean, it smells fine. Maybe it just opened. It's hard to tell. It's hard to say. Okay, so you got all your meat right here. Okay, you know what you do? You go, boom. Okay, so you got your meats, and I'll be back in like a second. Now grab another small bowl just to make sure you get the eggs all stirred nice. This is the bowl I grabbed, you know, like a normal cereal bowl. Okay, so get your eggs, and here, I'll show you how to crack eggs, just in case you don't know for some reason. Okay, so see the table right here? Or you can do anything that's hard. You like hit it, not super hard so it breaks everywhere, but like 3 times decently hard. Like 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be 3, it's just, that's how I do it. Then you open it up like that. It's quality. Make sure everything gets out. Okay. And then grab a napkin, I guess, and set your opened eggs on here. Your eggshells. Okay. And you know what? I'm gonna open one of these, and I'm gonna show you what it's like to break it open over the bowl. It's quality. Here you go. Open. Ooh, I almost dropped in the bowl. Okay, so I'll grab the other eggs, and I'll just do this real quick. I can just throw the shells out. I grab a fork and just... Oh, there's a dog hair in here. Got it. Okay, so grab a fork, break the eggs open by just like putting your fork through them and lifting up, I guess. And then you stir. It's like, you can just stir however you want, but it has to be, you know, pretty hard stirring. So I'll just do this for a little bit. Now the eggs should look like that, and you dump them in the meat. Okay, so let's do this. Nice. Okay, make sure your hands are really clean for this part. So you see this meat right here? Okay. Okay, so grab the scallions and open them. Okay, now grab a plate and put them on there and take all the rubber bands and stuff off. Now you see these? We're gonna cut them. Just grab a knife and cut the bottoms off first, like kind of over this little lump here. So I'll do that. I'll speed this up. Okay, and I'm just gonna put all the stuff I'm gonna throw out on here. So, dump those on there. Okay. Now, like, we're gonna have to cut on these things too. Like up to about like here. Now just cut all of these into small pieces to about like this size. Okay? So just do that until they're all gone and cut. Okay? This is what it should look like. Now wash your hands again and dump the scallions in with the meat. That tastes weird. So I'm gonna mix them now. Now preheat your oven to about 350 degrees. There we go. Now grab your peppers, because we're going to cut them. So first you have to cut out this part at the top. This thing. So I'll do that. I got it out. So now you're just going to cut like right down the middle. Now open this up a bit on the inside so you can get everything in. And then same with this one. Open it up a bit. And do that with the rest. Now grab your pan and aluminum foil. Okay, so like this, and get your spray, any non-stick spray. Don't use too much of it, but just spray it a little. Okay, this will cause the peppers to not stick, obviously. Okay, so now we're gonna fill the peppers for once. Okay, let's do this now. Let's put the meat in. That should be good. But I have a bit of leftover meat, so guess I'm just gonna not worry about that. So now we're gonna cut up the tomatoes. We have to get 8 slices, so 4 slices out of each. So pretty thick slices. So you're gonna have to cut out the top of this too, around here. And then, just cut it like this to 4 slices. Okay, got them. Now we're gonna put each tomato slice on one of these, like on top of it. So I'll start right here.
Now put on this one. Put on this one. And put this. Put it up like that. Down like that. Yeah, it's fine. Because it's like the rest. There we go. I'll put these and those. Yeah, I'll put this one up. It's kind of bothering me that this one's done. And there you go.
Just gonna put them in the oven on 350 that we preheated it to already, and I'm gonna keep it in for about an hour and a half. Well, exactly an hour and a half, and we'll see how it gets. So we put some aluminum foil on top too. Almost forgot about that. Then we put it in the oven. So I guess we'll see how it gets. Okay, let's see how they got. Looks pretty good, if you ask me. Gonna check if the pepper's good and tender. Yeah, it's pretty good. I think I'm gonna keep it in for like 8 more minutes, because it's supposed to be a little more tender, I think. Perfect.